Today we'll be talking about the Designs for Vision Reveal FGS system loupes. These loupes work with fluorescent dye. It's called Tribeam HD 475. It has a peak emission between 460 to 490 nanometers of light, and the loupes and the telescope have long pass and short pass filters which will allow you to see the light more than 520 nanometers. So the loupes are called the Reveal 520 system and the light is called the Tribeam 475 system. It's an excellent system to use. It's a very good system because not all hospitals can have a blue 400 or yellow 560 filters that are normally used with the bigger microscopes. The cost difference between the microscope and the loupes is very high, and I think it can be a good method to use for brain tumors, especially the superficial ones. Let's see how they work. So here we'll be speaking about the new system by Designs for Vision. They have fluorescence guidance surgery for Reveal FGS system. This particular set is a battery pack and the headlamp system called Reveal FGS 475. This system is supposed to be used with the fluorescent, and here is the entire set that we can see. These are the goggles that they provide. This is the battery pack. They are providing two battery packs. Each of them will provide you once fully charged, it will give you a light for approximately 5 hours with the white light and about 2.5 hours with the blue light. This is a Bluetooth operated foot pedal. It's a very compact design. Once you start it, it will start searching for the Bluetooth, but since I am not connected to the power source, it will switch off on its own in some time. This is a universal charger for the battery packs. We must ensure that the batteries are fully charged before you start any surgery. We don't want to be left without light once we are in the middle of the surgery. This is the high definition Tribeam LED light source. This is called Reveal Tribeam 475 system. It has the peak emission of 475, approximately between 460 to 490. It has a series of long pass filters and short pass filters, which does not allow the light, the blue lights of wavelengths less than 465 and wavelengths more than 495, thereby giving a very nice beam between 465 and 495, at which the fluorescent will absorb the light. This is the white light, which gives you an intensity of approximately 36,000 lux. This blue lights give you approximately 29,000 lux intensity. So on this side we have the charger compatible with the voltage specification of your own country, a few hex drivers, loop management system for the wires, and this is an extra loop for carrying the suitcase. It's a very nicely compactly designed thing. I'll show the loupes now. These are extremely beautiful loupes that they have designed. The telescope and the lenses, the plain glass that is provided over here, it can be customized to your refractory error as well. They have special long pass filters and short pass filters which will allow you to see the wavelengths above 520, giving you a slightly yellowish field, but you don't really see the light that is coming off the headlamp, thereby giving you a nice brilliant fluorescence of the fluorescent dye. So they have magnetic eye covers. They tend to fog slightly, so you have to use anti-fog wipes before you start the surgery. I'll show the entire system once it is assembled. To start with, then we use the loupes. We fix them over our head, tighten them around the head, ensure that they are snugly fit, not too tight, not too loose. Then take the headlamp, it has an adjustable strap which you can use to fix over your head. Once that is done, you take the battery pack, you connect it with the USB wire and you switch it on. Now you arrange and adjust the beam to coincide with your telescopes. Yeah, perfectly. Now I can see that the spot has perfectly formed. Now to use the blue light, you need the foot pedal. You switch this on and off. It will only switch on and off the white light. To use the blue light, you need to use the foot pedal. A single press of the foot pedal. Now it is connected. Now it is switched off. The white light, again, this is the blue light. Actually, I cannot see any blue light. So I just have an indicator over here which shows me that the blue light is on. My loupes are filtering out all the blue lights, because of which I have no idea the blue light is on. But if there is a tissue which fluorescent has been absorbed in it, and it will give a very brilliant green colored fluorescence which can be seen beautifully with these loupes. And one more switch, it's switched off. These indicators over here help really a lot, so I actually know which light is going on at the moment. It's quite ergonomically easy to use. To move around with them, you can adjust yourself as per the depth, as per the side by which you want to approach the tumor.